everybody and welcome to Barcelona. I am Florenza Viñas and I created something specially for you. When you are visiting the city, do not get mixed up with all of the crowds or do not pay a huge amount of money for private tour guides. Instead, download the app Life Barcelona, which will take you on several different routes to discover Barcelona. Working as a private tour guide in the last years, it gives me the knowledge, the tools, and the capacity to understand what people want, what people need, but as well, what is the best way to see Barcelona. So please do not doubt on downloading the app, use it, make the best out of it, and live life while you are in the city. If by any chance you need more information or you want to go more in depth, please don't hesitate to contact us at livelifebarcelona.com and to require maybe a private tour. Enjoy! On Live Life Barcelona app, you can discover all of the secrets of the city. You can get to know Antonio Gaudi and his work so much better. You can stroll on the streets of the Gothic Quarter, getting to know what is behind every rock. And as well, I incorporated in the app my favorite place to eat, my favorite places to enjoy the best croissant, the best coffee, the best tapas, the best paellas, and of course what to do once you finish the tour. You can download the app and you can use it offline without the necessity of an internet connection. And as well, you can download the offline maps which will take you on the route which I created. Besides the tours in Barcelona, I created a section of day trips where I present the most famous day trips out of the city, most of them located 1 hour away. Montserrat is definitely my favorite destination. 1 hour away from the city, you get to see an incredible mountain structure, but as well a Benedictine monastery with 1,000 years of history. Besides that, you could do a hike or you could visit the city of Tarragona where you will discover the Roman ruins from 2,000 years ago. I'm sure you will enjoy it. On the Barcelona tours, I have divided them in 5 itineraries. First of all, Best Barcelona, it's for the people who are spending maybe 1 day in Barcelona or they are overachiever and just want to do everything as fast as possible. Further, you have the Gothic Quarter tour, which will take you on the narrow streets, presenting you the medieval history. Then you have Antonio Gaudi's tour, which takes you on a very complete itinerary, getting to know his younger years, his inspiration, and all of the works that we have in Barcelona. But if you're the type of a person which wants to go off the beaten path, I thought about you as well. So that is why I created Off the Beaten Path Gracia Neighborhood Tour. The times have changed, so today leave all of your guidebooks behind, leave all of the maps behind, and just take your phone. And on your phone, download the app, and there you will find absolutely everything you need, from descriptions to the highlights of the city, routes specially created for you, offline maps, places to eat.